In this video we are talking about if MATIC can continue exploding to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, after we came back into this demand zone, we saw this bullish push to the upside, and in the last video we came into this supply zone right here, and at this prices right here I said that the chances high that we can continue to the upside, and if we continue to the upside and breaking this last high and supply zone to the upside, that we then see an explosive move to the upside. I will show you now the clip from the last video. But I think the chances higher that we can continue to the upside because we saw this bullish momentum and also see higher highs and higher lows all the way. So right now the chance is there that we directly see a move to higher prices, especially if we're breaking this last highs to the upside. And if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chances is high that we can see an explosion for MATIC. And as you can see, after the video we came back into this zone and then we moved to the upside. And as we broke this supply zone, we also saw another push to the upside. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on MATIC. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like MATIC, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find the link in the description. So as you can see again, we broke this important supply zone to the upside because from this supply zone we saw this bearish move to the downside. And now this is a really bullish sign. And now we are moving into the next very important zone because as you can see on the weekly chart, we have this weekly order block right here. And from this order block, we saw the start of the push to the downside. So now it's getting really interesting because the chances high if we come back into this order block that we see a bearish reaction to the downside. So we have to see how we react in this order block. But if we're breaking this order block to the upside with a bullish momentum, then the chances high that we see even higher prices. And then the chance would be high that we came into this bigger supply zone. And right now I'm very bullish on MATIC because we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows all the way and now a higher high. So as long as we continue the trend to the upside, the chances higher that we see even higher prices. Just if we're breaking this last lows, this last important daily lows, just if we're breaking them to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is high that we see a larger retracement. But as long as we don't break this one to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we would see higher prices. And of course we have much space for retracement right here. So I think an interesting area for entries is this order block, because from this order block we saw this push into new highs. So if we are coming back into this order block and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entry side here and hodl it into the next highs. So for everybody who is in the trade, I think this order block is a great chance to entry. But of course the chance is also high that we directly go to higher prices because we now have the bullish momentum on MATIC. And especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside, the chance that altcoins like MATIC are also pushing to the upside is very high. But if anything interesting happens on MATIC, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on MATIC. So all in all, we saw this bullish move to the upside from MATIC. And now we broke this last highs and this supply zone to the upside, which is a very bullish sign. And the next really interesting area is this order block right here, because from this weekly order block, we saw this push to the downside. So the chance for retracement is high. But I'm very bullish on MATIC because we have this bullish trend to the upside. And just if we are breaking this last daily lows to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we see even lower prices. Otherwise, I think that we just make a higher high and continue to the upside. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come back into this order block. And if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would enter a position right here and hodl it into the next highs. But of course, the bullish momentum is very high, so the chance that we directly go to the upside is also given. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.